Hey, welcome, brothers and sisters of my channel, I hope that you are well. In this video, I will talk about two new predefined function interface. I will do it now because I don't forget, but I think I remember I must show them also, and it's very important to know them. These two predefined function interface, there are unary operator and binary operator. So in this video I will talk about unary operator. In this video, inshallah, I will talk about binary operator. So what is unary operator? Unary operator, I will show you step by step to understand how it comes. So we have function. Okay, we have function. It's like this with T input type parameter and R return value for the type of return value. And the method is apply, like this, public R apply with T type parameters, input type parameters, T argument. Here, if I retrieve my previous example, to make the square of value, for example, I have function, integer for input type and also integer for return type. F equal A, simple arrow, A multiplied by A. Okay? Now, I will make system out of println f dot apply for 5. I got 25. Here, what I have? Look very well. The input type parameter is integer. And the return type parameter is also integer. I have specific case. Yes, the input type and the return type is same thing. Okay, they are the same. Here, if the input type and the return type are the same, here you can use the interface unary operator. Okay, it is specific case of a function. Okay, so how to write unary operator is so simple. It is interface unary operator with T input type and return type. It is the same thing, only one parameter. And the method is the same, public T, here the return type, apply with T also as input type for argument, type parameter. Now if I rewrite my previous example of square value with unary operator, how I will do it? It's so simple. Unary operator with integer, same, so only one type, integer f or u, what you want, equal a, simple arrow, I multiply by a, and I will do system of println f dot apply for 5. Okay, so I have only one here, only one type parameter for the input and for the return type value. It is the same thing, it is integer. Okay, here is where we can use the unary operator. If your function contains the same type for the input value and the return type value, you can use directly the unary operator. So let's execute this simple code to the computer, and I will come back to continue to talk about the primitive type associated to the unary operator. Let's go. So let's practice our example with unary operator. It is like this: unary operator. Okay, with integer, and here fu equal, so a, simple arrow, square value is a multiplied by a. Okay, so after this we make just system out.println u.apply for 5. Okay, let's see the result. Good, 25. Okay, let's continue. So if we take now our example of UnaryOperator and make f.apply or u.apply 5. Okay, here 5 is int, it's primitive type. So will be converted to integer, auto boxing, etc. And also for return type, auto boxing. Okay, so we have the problem, this auto boxing and boxing. Yes, we have always this problem until this moment. But there is primitive type function interface also for UnaryOperator. There are three interfaces. Int UnaryOperator, long UnaryOperator, and also double UnaryOperator. Let's see the first one, and those are the same concept. The prototype of int UnaryOperator is like this: interface int UnaryOperator, but without any parameters, no input type and no return type. Because you specify here, it is int, primitive type. For the input or for output, it's same thing. Okay? And the abstract method is public int. What is the name of the method? Is apply as int. Okay? It is not apply, it is apply as int, and there is an input type parameters argument, it is int e. Okay? So if we make our example with this int UnaryOperator, how it becomes? Like this. Int UnaryOperator without any input type or return type. Okay? F equal, same thing, A, simple arrow, A multiplied by A, semicolon, sorry, after this, system.println, f.apply as int for 5. Okay? Or number 5. So let's execute this simple program with int UnaryOperator to see the result, if we got it or no, just to see if it works or not. Okay? And I come back to continue the video. Let's go. So let's see this int UnaryOperator. So I'll just come on this one and I will do it here. So it is int UnaryOperator without any input type parameter or return type parameter. Okay, let's call him f, no problem, and I just copy paste this one, and I will make here system out.println f.apply as int, okay, and I will give him 5. Let's see if we got the same result or not, just to check the result. The same thing, 25. Do you see? There is no input type parameter here. And here we have specified it is the same thing. And here, nothing. We have specified it is int. So int primitive type for the input and the output. Okay? So we have seen how to use UnaryOperator, int UnaryOperator. And if you want to use two others, we have long UnaryOperator with this abstract method, public, long primitive type, apply as long, and argument is long L, okay? And the third is double UnaryOperator with this abstract method, public, double primitive type, apply as double, and the argument is double D. Okay? So to be familiar, of course, you must practice. Practice, practice, practice. And you will see, if you practice, you'll be more comfortable. It's the only way to be familiar with them, inshallah. So remember, just remember, what is UnaryOperator? It is a specific case for function. We can use UnaryOperator if the input type parameter and the return type parameter are the same. Integer, integer, student, student, what you want, okay? And if you need to use a primitive type, you have three interface primitive type function interface for UnaryOperator. There is int UnaryOperator, long UnaryOperator, and double UnaryOperator. I hope that you have understand this new concept. Just practice. It is my only word. You practice, practice, practice. When you finish, you can share, as I do now. Okay? See you in the next video, inshallah. If you like this course or this video, like it, share it with your friends. Subscribe my channel. If you can help me subscribe to my channel to continue to share only free course, inshallah. And you, good thing, as I do it before. Stay motivated, stay focused, and take care for your health. It's very important. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.